We're going to show you how to paint smooth fabrics and also how to make this old chair look like brand new. We've already cleaned these arms and wiped them down with our surface prep glossers. And the only thing you need to do to prep, get the lint, the fuzz, and that kind of thing off the surface. All right, so putting on this new beautiful color in all-in-one paint, you can try a sample size of this product like this right here for free just by visiting our website, and you'll see that. It works for leather, vinyl, cabinets, furniture, smooth fabrics. It also works for outside projects, inside projects. It doesn't require you to do a top coat or a sealer or a wax or anything over it. When painting smooth fabrics with all-in-one paint, it will get kind of make a barrier layer. So that's why you don't want to water it down and do all of those things that you hear, fabric softener and all that. Don't do that. Don't dilute the paint, don't put anything in it. And here is something you can do to make it lighten up. Any little things that have gotten trapped into the fabric, or any kind of like balls, fuzz, that kind of thing, you get painted that ultimately will feel a little rough for texture to you. That knocks it off. It doesn't knock off the paint by using this versus a sanding block. So. This is our color Bone, and Bone is a warmer white. So now I'm going to take my dry roller, I'm just going to roll over that. I know a lot of people ask how long before you can use this fabric, how long before it's fully dried, all those things. I would always tell people to wait overnight before you sit on it.
The original all-in-one paint, often imitated but never duplicated. Why settle for less? Follow us here for more DIY inspiration and tutorials.